I got one of these aftermarket license plate holders here from EVAM, Electric Vehicle Advanced Accessory Manufacturer. They do supply a lot of different accessories for Tesla, specifically electric vehicles. So I wanted to try this out. I just took delivery of this 2023 long range Model Y, and I'm going to see, am I going to use the Tesla license plate holder or this one from EVAM. There is some assembly required, but the packaging is extremely nice with this foam. Keeps the metal parts separated so they're not going to be chipped up or anything. There's a nice powder coated finish to these. These almost feel plastic, but I think they're aluminum powder coated. That is one of the things in this area. Live in the upper Midwest, Wisconsin. Road salt in the winter is a massive problem. So any components that can corrode, will corrode. All right, then we've got a bag of hardware along with a couple little sticky foam pieces. And it looks like this is stainless steel hardware, so that's a good sign also. There is also some black oxide hardware, which, if of high quality, it will last a few seasons. We'll see how this goes together. Oh, and then our license plate holder here. And if we look at the outside of the box, it does tell us surface powder spraying treatment, so they are powder coated. Aluminum alloy, so that was right there. They are aluminum. It says there's a manual in there and a tool kit. There's no manual in here, but we can figure this out from the picture on the front of the box, no problem. And it looks like, and it gives us the option to either put it up here or down here, and this would raise or lower the license plate on the vehicle. Let's mock it up like this and see how it'll look with the license plate in the higher position. All right, we have those two pieces on. Now it looks like it's a matter of simply putting, and there are these stainless button head screws with lock washers to use there. That's all there is to assembly. That was pretty darn quick. Then there's these sticky foam pieces. I'm assuming they're gonna go on the back here to prevent any rubbing or scraping of the paint behind this, if there is any. But let's go to the vehicle and put this on and see where those contact points would be, and then we'll use these if we need to. There it is installed. It does a good job of not touching any of the painted parts. It simply hooks on that lower grille part, and it looks pretty slick. So if you're looking for a custom option to mount your license plate that gives you a little more flexibility on the height and location of it than the stock Tesla one, check out this license plate holder from EVAM. Thanks for watching. Adios.